guys know I've filmed an absolute ton of new bike reveal videos. It gets kind of exhausting figuring out ways to like do a bike reveal video. I think the most fun one we did was probably the Groms, basically the two Hondas giving birth to the new baby Groms. That one was so much fun.
So let's see what we have. Oh, the headlight is grounding. Push! Push, mama! Push! Come on! It's the baby girl! It's a baby girl! Oh, dear God! Holy!
Oh, it's a Grom!
Eric, you're a grandpa.
Hey!
A bike reveal video is pretty, you know, standard stuff. It's like you try to build some anticipation, much as I'm doing right now, just talking about it. You blur out the thumbnail so that people don't know what you got. But I mean, you guys all pretty much know what I got, right? I mean, you should, because of a couple test ride videos, because of Instagram posts. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you totally should follow me on Instagram, because that is way more up to date than YouTube, you know, just because I'm able to post stuff pretty much immediately, especially like Instagram stories. I'm able to like film and share it like right then. If you guys aren't following me over there, be sure to go follow me, Instagram.com/Blockhead Moto. So it should come as no surprise to you guys, especially with me having posted up the video where I said the Lowrider S is for sale, that I ended up getting a new motorcycle. Currently, there's a couple people lined up on a list to buy it. I'm just waiting on the first guy to basically either confirm or pass up the fact that he wants it, so we'll see, but it should pretty much be sold by this weekend, and I'm really sad because this is my last ride on it. But as you guys probably well know, I ended up getting you guys all knew it was gonna happen. It was no secret. Second test ride, everybody knew I was gonna get it, and then posting up on Instagram as much as I did, everybody knew I was gonna get it. So welcome to the channel, the brand new 2019 Harley-Davidson FXDR. There you have it, folks. The newest addition to the Blockhead Garage. 2019 Harley-Davidson Softail FXDR. Actually, most people call it FXDR, but the actual designation is FXDRS. It even says it on some of the inside covers, like under the seat and all that. But there it is. Should come as no surprise to any of you. Like I said, man, it's going to be quite the project, that's for sure. I definitely have some ideas for it, but I will go over those in a later episode. Since it is a brand new bike, there's not really parts out for it, so it is going to be a little bit more difficult than, you know, just doing bolt-ons and stuff like that. So a lot of it is going to be, you know, very custom stuff. I have thought about doing like some custom fabrication for a bit. Obviously I would need to get my hands dirty and learn how to do that, but I'm not afraid of a challenge. If anything, should actually take a page out of Do It With Dan's book, who I actually got to leave here and go on to meet up with him and Shade Tree Surgeon and Photogrammer and John Maxwell. Because as of me filming this, tomorrow is Florida Moto Meet, and they're all in town, and everybody's going to grab a drink, say hello, get to know one another before we jump into the event. So I gotta get going, but expect many more episodes from this perspective right here. It's funny how it started out as just a test ride, but same thing happened with my Lowrider S. It's funny, I did a reveal with those cinematic shots earlier today, and it was just like too bright like during the day, and to me like this bike just has more of like a menacing vibe to it, you know. It's a little more you know, obviously low, sleek, like I always say, you know, blacked out. It's kind of race inspired, you know, drag inspired from Harley-Davidson, so I figured it would be more fitting to wait till nighttime and get those LED lighting shots. Man, these freaking car dealerships, they know how to do that lighting. It looks good. Anyways, welcome the bike to the channel. Hopefully most of y'all are sticking with me. I know a lot of you guys are pushing me to get it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit the bell icon as well so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. I'll catch y'all later. Deuces.